Hi, good morning, and welcome to today's morning miracle stretch. My name is Heather, and we're going to get started today by seating ourselves on the floor in the middle of our mats and coming to either crisscross or bring one foot in and then the other. Sit up nice and tall, long spine, and then let's just begin by rolling out the neck. So whatever kind of feels good to start. Just moving one way and then the other. You can even look side to side. And then when you're ready, take your right hand to the floor on the right side of you. Inhale, lift the left hand up and over. Side body stretch and look up. And then take this left hand to the right knee and slide those right fingertips behind you. Just go ahead and twist and look back to the right. Untwist, come back to center, and then let's switch. So left hand comes to the floor. Inhale, right hand comes up and over. Look up. And then bring these right fingertips to the left knee. Slide the left fingertips behind you and twist. Great, untwist, come back to center, and then just extend your right leg out to the side. So you're going to keep this left sole facing towards the inside of your right thigh. And from here, take those left fingertips to the ground, same thing on the side of you again, and right hand is going to sweep down as you lift your hips and then up. Open up the chest. And then come back down. What we're going to do is bring our right forearm to the ground, left hand up and over. And reach towards the right side. So if your forearm doesn't reach the ground, that's okay too. You can just come to bring the back of your hand to the floor, and that's perfect. Come to bring the left hand back down. One more time. Sweep the right hand up, lift the hips, and then over. Open the chest. And then come back down. Twist to the right. This time, either bring your left hand to the outside of your right leg, or if you can reach your foot, to your foot. Right hand can just come to fingertips on the floor, and allow yourself to twist. Untwist, come back to center, and then let's just switch legs. So straighten through the left leg, right sole comes to the inside of the left thigh, right fingertips to the floor, sweep the left hand up and over, lift up the hips. Really extend through the side body, and bring it down. So either back of the left hand or forearm touches the ground, right hand comes up and over. And then once more, right hand to the ground, lift up the hips, lift up the left hand. And sway it back down. Drop the hips. This time, twist all the way to the left, bringing the right hand to either the outside of your left leg or your foot. Whatever is the most accessible to you this morning. I know I can tend to be pretty stiff in the morning, so whatever works. And untwist. Come to bring the soles of your feet together, legs in a diamond shape, and I'm actually going to shift to face towards the front of my mat. You are welcome to stay where you're at, no worries. And from here, bring the hands to the knees to start. Let's inhale by sending the chest forward and exhale by rounding through the back. Just a few times in your own time. Inhale, chest forward, exhale, round. And if you want, you can kind of bring this into a sort of barrel roll by moving the chest in little circles in one direction, still inhaling as you go forward and exhaling as you send it back. And then switching directions. And then when you're ready, inhale, hands come to the sky. Exhale, send the fingertips forward. And you can walk the chest forward as far as is comfortable for you. What's important here is just keeping a nice long spine. Walk your fingertips towards you. Bring the soles to the mat this time. You can scoot forward a little bit if you need to. And then roll it down onto your back, all the way. From here, bring the right knee into the chest, flex through that foot, and cross it over the left knee. Welcome to stay here if your hips are really tight. If you'd like to take it deeper, go ahead and lift that left foot, thread both hands through, and you can reach for the back of the left thigh. Make sure to keep a generous flex in this right foot, just to keep your knee safe. And let your shoulders relax, your jaw relax. And then just release the back of the thigh. Keep your legs where they are if they're lifted. And then shift from here, this right sole to touch the floor on the left side of you. You can just take your arms in cactus arms on either side of you. And let your upper body melt into the floor. And then bring it back up, unhook, send the left knee into the chest, grab a hold of it, give it a little squeeze, and then flex through that left foot, cross it over the right knee. Again, option to stay here if you did on the other side. If you want to take it deeper, lift that right sole, thread the hands through, and grab the back of the right thigh. And then same thing, just guide your legs to the right side. Left sole touches the right side of you. Left sole to the floor. Hands in cactus arms, palms face up. And then come back up, both knees into the chest this time. Flex through both feet and see if you can grab the outer edges of your feet. If not, you can go ahead and grab onto maybe your ankles or your shins. And take your knees out wide to the outsides of your armpits. Really root down through your hips as you find some weight with your hands on your feet. And gently release. Put your legs together, grab the back of your thighs. So option here, you can take a traditional savasana lying down before you get back up. If you're with me, grab the backs of your thighs. Go ahead and rock back and forth all the way up to seated. And let's just take a couple deep breaths together in seated before we close. So go ahead and close the eyes if you'd like. Hands come to the knees. Again, sit up nice and tall. And maybe use this moment before you get back up to set the intention for your day. Maybe it's just one word. Maybe we just keep it simple today. Short and sweet. Blink the eyelids open. I hope that you enjoyed this morning miracle stretch. If you'd like to share your intention with me down below for the day, I'd love to hear it. Have a wonderful one. If you would like to practice more classes like these, I do upload new free yoga classes to this channel every single week, so make sure to subscribe if that's something that you're interested in. Have a good one. I'll see you soon, and namaste.